Hello guys, my name is Siddula Ajaychan and now I'm going to give you the presentation about the advantages, disadvantages and application of ad hoc networks. Ad hoc network is defined as a collection of nodes that communicate with each other wirelessly by using radio signals with a shared common channel, hop path, chain or routing switch unit host 4. The entire network is distributed and nodes are collaborated with each other without fixed station access point or base station. Ad hoc network is a local area network that builds an automatic connection to the nodes in the network. The wireless network architecture is classified in two ways. First one is infrastructure where nodes are connected with the fixed physical representation. Thus, the nodes are communicated through access point. Examples for these kind of wireless networks are GSM, UMTS and WLAN. Second is infrastructureless where the node is communicated without any fixed physical representation. The ad hoc networks are performed by connecting the terminals in the multi-hop distributed architecture. Due to the absence of centralized structure, the nodes in the ad hoc network acts as a router to send and receive the data. Due to non-static nature, ad hoc network avoids the single point of failure and make the network more robustness. So this is what an infrastructure-based wireless network looks like, where the nodes are connected with physical representation and the nodes are communicated through an access point as shown in the diagram. And this is an ad hoc wireless network. It is an infrastructure-less network where the node is communicated without any fixed physical representation. The ad hoc networks are formed by connecting the terminals in multi-hop distributed architecture. Due to the absence of centralized structure, the nodes in the ad hoc network acts as a router to send and receive data. So let's discuss about the advantages of ad hoc networks. The rapid development in ad hoc network technology is widely used in portable computing such as laptops, mobile phones, which are used to access the web services. Telephone calls when the users are in traveling. Development of self-organizing network decreases the communication cost. The growth of 4G technology enhances anytime, anywhere, anyhow communication in ad hoc network. Ad hoc network is simple to design and install. The advantages of an ad hoc network include separation from central network administration. Self-configuring nodes are also routers. Self-healing through continuous reconfiguration. Scalability incorporates the addition of more nodes. Mobility allows ad hoc networks created on the fly in any situation where there are multiple wireless devices. Flexible ad hoc can be temporarily set up at any time in any place. Lower getting started costs due to decentralized administration. The nodes in an ad hoc network need not rely on any hardware or software, so it can be connected and communicated quickly. Disadvantages of ad hoc networks. One major drawback of wireless ad hoc networking is that some Wi-Fi enabled technology, including Android devices, wireless printers and Google's Chromecast, don't support ad hoc mode because of its limitations and will only connect to networks in infrastructure mode. Infrastructure mode is a better option than ad hoc mode for setting up a more permanent network. Wireless routers that serve as access points typically have high power wireless radios and antennas that provide coverage of a wider area. When a laptop is used to set up as a wireless network, the laptop's wireless radio won't be as strong as that of a route. Ad hoc networks do not scale well. As the number of devices in an ad hoc network increases, it gets harder to manage because there isn't a central device through which all the traffic flows. When several devices are connected to the ad hoc network, more wireless interference will occur as each device has to establish a direct connection to each of other devices instead of going through a single access point. When a device is out of range of another device to which it needs to connect, it will pass the data through other devices on the way. This is slower than passing it through a single access point. Other disadvantages of ad hoc wireless networks include the following. Devices in an ad hoc network cannot disable SSID broadcasting as devices in infrastructure mode can. As a result, attackers can find and connect to an ad hoc device if they are within the signal range. Wireless ad hoc networks cannot bridge wired LANs or to the internet without installing a special purpose network gateway. Devices can only use the internet if one of them is connected to and sharing it with others. When internet sharing is enabled, the client performing this function may face performance problems, especially if there are lots of interconnected devices. Ad hoc mode requires more system resources as the physical network layout changes as devices are moved around. In contrast, an access point in infrastructure mode typically remains stationary. Applications of ad hoc networks. With the increased number of lightweight devices as well as evolution in wireless communication, the ad hoc networking technology is gaining effort with increasing number of widespread applications. Ad hoc networking can be used anytime, anywhere with limited or no communication infrastructure. The preceding infrastructure is fancy or annoying to use. The ad hoc network architecture can be used in real-time business applications, corporate companies to increase the productivity and profit. The ad hoc networks can be classified according to their application as mobile ad hoc network, MANET, which is a self-arranging infrastructureless network of mobile devices communicated through a wireless link. Vehicular ad hoc network, VANET, used traveling cars as nodes in network to create a mobile network. Wireless sensor network consists of autonomous sensors to control the environmental actions. The importance of ad hoc network has been highlighted in many fields which are described below. Military arena. An ad hoc networking will allow the military battleground to maintain an information network among the soldiers, vehicles and headquarters. Provincial level. Ad hoc networks can build instant link between multimedia network using notebook computers or palm-top computers to spread and share information among the participants. Example conferences. Personal area network. A personal area network is a short-range localized network where nodes are usually associated with a given range. Industry sector. Ad hoc network is widely used for commercial applications. Ad hoc network can also be used in emergency situations such as disaster relief. The rapid development of non-existing infrastructure make the ad hoc network easily to be used in emergency situations. Bluetooth. Bluetooth can provide short-range communication between nodes such as a laptop and mobile phone. So, this concludes my presentation about advantages, disadvantages, and applications of ad hoc networks. Thank you.